Hello students, on the previous class discussed the introduction of computer number system. In this class I will discuss how to convert each number system to another. This table displays the number system and where in use these number systems. Binary number system. Binary number system only knows by the computer. Second one, decimal number system. Decimal number system only knows by the human beings. Octal and hexadecimal number systems use in electronic gadget. So we need to know how to convert each number system to other. Let's go. Decimal to binary number system conversion. When you give any decimal number to computer does not know what is it because computer only knows binary number system. Suppose you enter 5 into computer but computer does not understand about 5. After converting this 5 into its equivalent binary form, then computer can understand, that is 101. 101 is the binary form of decimal 5. How to convert decimal number into its equivalent binary form? Suppose you have a decimal number, that is 40. With the help of base value, we can identify which number is it. This base value is 10, that means the 40 is in decimal form. So now I will show you how to convert this 40 into its equivalent binary form. This is the process. Write 40 like this. So 10 base to 2 conversion. So divide this 40 by 2. When you divide this 40 by 2, the quotient will be 20 and the remainder write beside 20. Remainder will be 0. Again divide this 20 by 2. Quotient will be 10. The remainder will be again 0. Again divide 10 by 2. Quotient will be 5. Remainder will be again 0. This process will be continued up to when the quotient value will be 0. So again divide this 5 by 2. Quotient will be 2. Remainder will be 1. Again divide by 2. Quotient will be 1. Remainder will be 0. Again this 1 divide by 2. Now quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be this quotient, that is 1. So now quotient is 0, so process will stop here. Now count this number, count this remainder, all remainder from bottom to top. So the final result will be write like this: 1, last one right into the first. So 1, then 0, then again 1, then 0, 0, 0. This is the answer. Again another number, just check it. Suppose my decimal number is 35. Base value 10. Question mark. Convert this decimal number into its equivalent binary. So write 35 here. Divide this 35 by 2. The quotient will be 17. Remainder 1. Again divide this quotient by 2. Now quotient will be 8. Again 1. Again this 8 divided by 2. Now quotient 4. The remainder will be 0. Again 4 divided by 2. Quotient will be 2. Remainder will be 0. Again this 2 divided by 2. Quotient will be 1. Remainder will be 0. Again this 1 divided by 2. Quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. So again count from bottom to top. Count all remainder. All remainder. This is the answer. Okay, but always count from the bottom. So the answer will be, first write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, base value 2. This is the answer. So this is the math. With the help of this math, you can convert any decimal number into its equivalent binary form.